Hello, I'm Culliv from Culliv Personal Training, and to continue on with your home workouts, we're going to talk about ways to increase the intensity of your home workouts. Doing bodyweight type exercises is great to increase your fitness, but it's also good to have some more resistance. And for that, since you can't take dumbbells with you, or if you don't have dumbbells at home, you can use some resistance tubing or some bands. You can just get these at regular fitness stores, 10 or 20 bucks. And today we're going to show you how to make your crunches or your ab exercises a little bit more difficult so you feel a little bit better taking off your shirt at the beach. So we'll start off down on your back, crunch position, shoulders are back, small space underneath your lower back, exhaling as you crunch forward, but you're going to have this piece of resistance band tied underneath a chair or table, holding on, exhale, crunch forward, back down, crunch forward, and back down. It's that easy. The resistance band definitely makes it a lot harder. Just make sure you're tilting your hips at the same time. Thanks for watching secretsoftheripman.com. We'll see you next video.